perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and...
What more ancient Egypt? Perhaps the pyramids were built inside out. Perhaps the pyramids were built inside out. No one could find any copper chisels around the Great Pyramid built site.
Perceiving things as...
No one could find any copper chisels around the Great Pyramid built site. Another theory. The stones were turned into 12-sided polygons and rolled to the site. Dutch physicists believe the ancient Egyptians used wet sand to drag the blocks across the desert. The pyramid's alignment points to an alien conspiracy. The pyramid's alignment points to an alien conspiracy. Some historians believe the pyramid required 100,000 workers. Some historians believe the pyramid required 100,000 workers. Egyptians traveled far to mine copper for the tools to cut the stones for the pyramids. Egyptians traveled far to mine copper for tools to cut the stones for the pyramids. The pyramid limestone was transported via a system of canals. Researchers discovered the only first-person account of the Great Pyramid's construction. Researchers discovered the only first-person account of the Great Pyramid's construction.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.